friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we are talking about the best deal for some very cheap Scott toilet paper this week over at Walgreens, and this is for the week of the 3rd to the 9th. So if you want to put your order in by the 9th, you can do this curbside, which is basically ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check and ordering it, and then driving to the store. You can use a coupon discount code to get things a lot less this way. And if you're ordering a vast quantity of paper, go to the store right away so that the employees don't have it there all day, just to be considerate, just a rule of thumb. Now, this is the coupon that you're going to load, which is the $1.25 off the Scott. And it'll apply more than once, and that's how you get such excellent savings. As you see, it says unlimited use. So let's make use of this, and then this is applying to either the toilet paper or the paper towel as pictured. Some of you get often turned around. There's a 6 count of the Scott. No, it's a 4 count that's applying for this coupon and for this promotion that we're talking about in this video. And as couponers, you know, we don't clear stores when there's a toilet paper shortage or a paper shortage. We stock up when there's really good deals, and this is somebody knocking at your door and saying, this is a good deal if you wish to do it this week. Okay, so deal number 1, you're going to need this booster loaded, which is the 8-pack when you spend $40. And yes, we're going to get exactly $40 of paper products after all of the coupon codes to get this to work. And it is a rather extreme basket, but if you have no problem putting in this order, I would definitely go for it. That include 7 toilet papers and 7 paper towels. And as stated earlier, having 14 in a cart, I mean, it's going to take up half of the photo counter at Walgreens. So if you can go and get it like within the hour of putting in the order, or order it while you're in the store so the employees don't have to, walk around this all day. It's just a courteous thing. And then you're going to need your $1.25 coupon loaded as well. Make sure you have that guy loaded. Now, just to show you where it says promotion codes and coupons, because the basket has exceeded $50, you can use the code SAVE20 to get $10.50 off. If you're having trouble with putting in coupon codes and just things are just a hot mess with the app, I recommend to do an update on your phone or an update on the app, or both. They recently changed things around with the Walgreens app, and unless your software is the most up-to-date thing, the app won't run properly. So just to show you the overall basket, it's a big one. It's $70. But you have $28 in a coupon code and the IVC right there. So after that, it's actually $42. Free curbside pickup. I'm not factoring in the tax because 4 states don't even pay taxes. So it's actually $42, not factoring in my tax, and my tax is different than other states. And then you're getting back 8, so it'd make it $34 for the 14, or $242 per unit. And because you're using the booster of spend 40, get back 8, you got to use your debit card for the balance. Okay, so the next deal that we have is a little bit smaller, and it is using Walgreens cash. It is to grab 3 of each for exactly $30. Now, alternatively, if you, again, don't like this one and you just want to grab 3, you can just scale back the deal that way and just use $10 in Walgreens cash with the coupon code. I believe in Monday's video, I showed that deal if you want to check it out. Remember, you need your best friend loaded, which is the $1.25 Walgreens Scott coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. So just to show you, off of the 6 units, we have $7.50 melting off. And then you can also use the coupon code WAG10 for an additional $2.25 off. And just to show you, $30, $9.75 melting off, free, a little bit of tax for me. If I want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, if I have it, go for it, pay $1.47 and call this a very smart basket. Because you're only getting 6 units of paper, if you wanted to grab 6 toilet papers or 5 toilet papers and 1 paper towel, you do that juggling whatever suits your household best. But I just did 3 of each just to keep it basic and easy. If you wanted to go at half of this, you'd be using $10 of Walgreens cash, and I showed that deal in yesterday's video that I'll link here at the very end in case you want to do it that way. With the uncertainty, the economy that is volatile, where everything is so expensive, I would recommend to do one of these paper deals one of these weeks to have a little bit of a stockpile for your household. I know 14 is extreme, but even at 6, I think it's a way to get around some of these deals so you have a stockpile of paper. Hopefully these prices never increase on these Scott products. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.